Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of smudges and streaks ruining your car's pristine windows, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best glass cleaners for cars on the market. We've researched and tested some of the top products to help you achieve that crystal clear view while driving. From heavy-duty formulas that tackle tough grime to eco-friendly options that are gentle on your car's finish, we've got something for every preference. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or just want to keep your ride looking sharp, you'll find the perfect cleaner here. So check the link in the description below to get more details on each product. Number 1. Chemical Guys CL30016 Streak-Free Glass and Window Cleaner sets the standard for excellence in glass cleaning, offering a top-notch solution for maintaining a crystal-clear finish on a variety of surfaces. This premium cleaner excels at removing stubborn dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, oil, and grime with remarkable ease. Its unique formula ensures that no residue or streaks are left behind, providing a truly spotless result every time. The inclusion of static inhibiting agents is a notable feature, as it prevents dust from accumulating on the surface, which is a common issue with other cleaners that do not address static charge. This makes the cleaner not only effective but also efficient in maintaining cleanliness over time. What sets the Chemical Guys CL30016 apart is its ammonia-free composition, which makes it safe for use on tinted windows. Many conventional glass cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can damage or degrade window tint, but this cleaner is specifically designed to be gentle yet effective. The absence of ammonia and other volatile chemicals ensures that the cleaner does not harm your vehicle's tint or any delicate surfaces, providing peace of mind while you clean. The formula also avoids harsh and caustic ingredients, offering a thorough clean without the risk of damaging your surfaces. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive glass to home and office windows, mirrors, navigation screens, and lenses. Its professional-grade performance ensures that even the most challenging cleaning tasks are tackled with ease, leaving your surfaces gleaming and clear. Whether you're using it on your car, truck, SUV, or within your home, the Chemical Guys CL30016 delivers exceptional results, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality glass cleaner. Number 2. KCM Glass Cleaner stands out as a premier choice for those seeking an effective solution for maintaining the cleanliness of smooth surfaces. This ready-to-use glass cleaner is formulated to tackle a variety of cleaning challenges with ease. Its powerful cleaning agents effortlessly dissolve and remove stubborn dirt, including oil, grease, insects, and other residues that can mar the appearance of your surfaces. The streak-free formula ensures that your glass and mirrors are left spotless, without unsightly streaks or smudges. What sets KCM Glass Cleaner apart is its gloss and smoothness additive, which significantly enhances the wiping effect of your cleaning cloth. This feature not only improves the efficiency of the cleaning process but also ensures a superior finish with a high-gloss appearance. The added gloss makes surfaces look professionally cleaned, while the smoothness additive makes the application process more fluid and less labor-intensive. In addition to its cleaning power, KCM Glass Cleaner leaves behind a fresh, pleasant fragrance, making the cleaning experience more enjoyable. Its versatility extends beyond automotive use, as it is safe for application on a wide range of surfaces including windows, mirrors, tiles, sheet metal, and worktops. This makes it a handy tool for both vehicle and home maintenance. The 500 ml bottle offers ample supply for multiple cleaning tasks, and its ready-to-use nature means you can start cleaning immediately without any need for dilution or preparation. KCM Glass Cleaner delivers a high level of performance and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their surfaces pristine and sparkling. Number 3. Invisible Glass 91164-2PK 19-ounce Foam Cleaner is an outstanding choice for those seeking the best glass cleaner for cars. Renowned for its superior performance, this foam cleaner delivers a remarkable, streak-free shine that enhances visibility and clarity. The invisible glass formula is crafted to provide an exceptionally clean finish, eliminating the need for multiple applications or excessive wiping. It stands out because it leaves no residue, ensuring a spotless appearance without streaks or drips. This is achieved through its unique formulation, which is free from soaps, scents, and dyes, ideal for users who prefer a straightforward, no-frills cleaning experience. The deep cleansing foam is designed to tackle tough contaminants such as road grease, grime, dirt, fingerprints, salt, and mud. It works effectively on a variety of surfaces, including windshields and mirrors, by penetrating and lifting away debris with ease. This thorough cleaning action results in a striking shine that enhances both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your glass surfaces. Additionally, the invisible glass cleaner is ammonia-free, making it safe for use on both tinted and non-tinted windows. This feature adds to its versatility, allowing it to be used in various settings beyond just automotive applications. It's suitable for cleaning stainless steel appliances, boat windows, office glass, and more. The fine mist spray mechanism ensures an even application that adheres well to glass surfaces without the risk of drips or uneven coverage. This aspect of the product contributes to a more efficient and effective cleaning process. Whether you're dealing with indoor or outdoor glass surfaces, Invisible Glass 91164-2PK Foam Cleaner is an excellent choice for achieving a clear, polished finish every time. Number 4. Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner stands out with its robust formulation designed to tackle even the most challenging cleaning tasks. This cleaner is engineered to remove severe hard water spots effectively, which are often difficult to eliminate with standard glass cleaners. Its ability to cut through calcium and mineral buildup ensures that even the toughest deposits are removed, restoring the glass to its original clarity. The cleaner is particularly adept at handling heavy limescale, which can be a common problem in areas with high mineral content in water. In addition to combating limescale, Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner excels at removing salt spray deposits. This is especially useful for vehicles exposed to coastal environments where salt can accumulate and create a hazy, obstructive layer on the glass. The cleaner's formulation also targets rust deposits and alkali residues, which can cause unsightly stains and reduce visibility. By breaking down these tough contaminants, the cleaner ensures that the glass remains clear and unobstructed. Moreover, Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner is effective at removing paint overspray, a common issue during auto detailing or painting projects. This feature is particularly beneficial for maintaining the pristine condition of your car's glass surfaces. The cleaner's advanced formula provides a streak-free finish, which is crucial for achieving optimal visibility and safety while driving. The product's strong cleaning agents are designed to penetrate and dissolve grime, ensuring that your glass surfaces are thoroughly cleaned without any residue. It's suitable for use on a variety of glass surfaces beyond just automotive windows, including mirrors and other glass features. Overall, Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining crystal clear glass, making it an essential product for both car enthusiasts and professionals in the automotive industry. Number 5. Adams Glass Cleaner 2-Pack is a top-tier choice for maintaining pristine visibility in your vehicle. This advanced formula glass cleaner from Adams Polishes represents a significant upgrade from its previous iterations, leveraging cutting-edge polymer technology to offer unparalleled performance. The new and improved formula is free from harmful or harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe application on both tinted and non-tinted glass. It effectively tackles stubborn fingerprints, haze, and dirt, leaving your car windows spotless and streak-free. The optical clarifiers embedded in the cleaner enhance clarity and visibility, making driving safer and more enjoyable. Additionally, the UV-stable formula ensures long-lasting protection without stripping your car's wax or paint protection, preserving the integrity of your vehicle's exterior. Adams Glass Cleaner is not only effective on car windows but also versatile enough for a range of surfaces around your home. Whether it's your navigation screen, flat-screen television, smartphone, or even shower doors and bathroom mirrors, this cleaner delivers exceptional results. Its eco-friendly composition is gentle on the environment and safe for use around pets and children, providing peace of mind with every application. For best results, Adams recommends pairing the cleaner with their microfiber glass cleaning towel, which ensures a flawless finish by preventing any residue or streaks. This product is designed to work seamlessly in any condition, making it an ideal choice for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its refreshing scent and superior performance, Adams Glass Cleaner stands out as a leading solution for maintaining clear, immaculate glass surfaces. In conclusion, finding the best glass cleaner for your car is essential for maintaining clear and streak-free windows, enhancing both visibility and the overall look of your vehicle. Whether you're looking for a cleaner that is effective on tough stains, provides a long-lasting shine, or is easy to use, the options we've covered today offer something for every need. From spray-on formulas to wipes, each product brings its unique benefits to ensure your car's glass remains in top condition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more update videos, and stay tuned for more tips and reviews to keep your vehicle in perfect shape.